Meaning of Edmond Halley.
Edmond Halley.
Edmond Halley.
Edmond Halley.
Edmond Halley. Edmond Halley was an English astronomer, geophysicist, mathematician, meteorologist, and physicist who lived in the 17th and 18th centuries. His most significant accomplishment was predicting the orbit of the comet that now bears his name, Halley's Comet. He also authored numerous publications on topics such as magnetism, solar system mechanics, and oceanic tides. He received numerous accolades during his lifetime and is widely regarded as one of the greatest scientific minds of his era.